Hello YouTube, this is my first PlayStation 2 video. This is going to show me being Dr. Nefarious with no armor upgrades. In some videos I said that it's possible because I did it before, and now I'm going to go do it right now. If you already did that, that's great. I'm going to be skipping the first cutscene for Dr. Nefarious because I wanted to. I don't want to waste time, so let's do this. Most of my weapons are V5, not all of them. I did not cheat. I'm using no armor upgrades, nothing. No, I'm not using that. That should finish him off. There we go, he's finished off. Grab all the health upgrades here. Okay, now I'm going to grab health grades right when I get to the bridge here. And get up to the part where the Rangers do a lot of stuff. Oh, that helps you out a bit.